in arm.
Oh.
All the way to that side of the,
Okay.
but really go, maybe it's not, move all the way over there. And then when you do the second, maybe it's time to get to the middle.
Oh.
See if that works, okay? So we're using the whole stage.
Oh, okay.
Maybe it's more than the moon. Maybe it's more than the birds. Maybe it's more than the sight of the night and the light. Too lonely for words.
Too lucky for words, stay here.
Got it.
So you do that whole first part, you walk really quickly. Maybe it's not the
So we're
moon, the
supposed to
birds,
So we stop in the middle and do that, and then?
No, you walk all the
Let's
way
walk
here.
quickly. Let's try that again.
See if that.
Maybe it's more than the moon. Maybe it's more than the birds. Maybe it's more than the sight of the night and the light. Too lonely for words.
Maybe it's more than the earth.
Shiny and silvery blue.
Maybe the reason I'm
Feeling this way has something to do with you.
It's the grand night for singing. The moon is flying high.
And somewhere a bird who is bound he'll be heard.
He's throwing his heart at the sky.
It's a grand night for singing. The stars are bright above. The earth is aglow, and to add to the show,
I think I am falling in love.
falling, falling in love.
Arms up in love. Yeah.
Falling,
Falling in love.
Yeah, that you need to end it. I have some different ideas, but I'm thinking we don't need to do this right now. But I'm kind of thinking it might be nice if you walk over there and you stay here.
Have Lisa walk over there?
And you stay over here,
Converge.
and then you come together.
Okay,
in the
I
middle.
like that.
Yeah, it's a really nice use of the stage. This doesn't really work because you're not that comfortable, but somehow, while he's singing, maybe it's, you could wander over there on your harmony. And then
I can be
maybe,
looking at the.
and then, right, make your way back to each other.
Okay.
But end it.
Maybe the reason I'm feeling this way has something to do with you.
Right, and then you come together. And another thing I'd love to see you try to do, but it has to be comfortable and beautiful, is for you to dance.
We'll have to work on
This
that
is a waltz, can you waltz?
on occasion. In my dreams.
Did you give it a try just now? So Deborah, if you could just go. Actually, this could be a really good beginning to the song.
Oh, yeah.
Would you, when you're done, would you like to dance?
Would you like to dance?
So before while we're singing, or so we dance first then sing?
Even at the very beginning.
Okay.
Throw these ideas around with you. And then you started, right?
Yes.
So just in the whatchamacallit time, I'd like to move on. But I would love to play around with